Hello, welcome to question 13A, which is almost the last part of the section B of General Mathematics for Liberia 2025. In the diagram, PQ is taken as a tangent to the circle at B, where A, B, C are all points on the circle with the center being O. We know the length of ABP as 64 degrees, OAC is what? 44 degrees. We are finding AOB and OBC. Let's see how well we can go into that. For the Roman number 1, we are looking at for this angle, which is AOB, the angle at the center, which is twice the angle here. But we know this angle between a chord and a tangent equals to the angle in the opposite segment. So I can say that angle ACB equals to the angle that we were given from the question, this. That is ABP, which is also what? 64 degree. That property is being, so the property we are having is alternate segment property, which is basically angle between a chord and a tangent equals to the angle in the other segment, opposite segment. So if that is true, if this is that, then I can say that the angle I am asked to find, the angle, therefore, the angle which we are asked to find, AOB, is twice the angle we just found, which is angle ACB. So 2 times angle 64 degrees, this is 120, so 128. So we have found the first angle we are asked to find. This one, we know it as what? 128. Now, if I look at the quadrilateral AOBC, we have the length here, 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 and here. It is a quadrilateral. I am looking for this angle by this OBC. So 1, 2, 3. The angle at the back is also added to it to make a complete 360. So I just need to find the angle at the back here, which is opposite to this angle. So I can say that, should I come to Roman number 2 at once? So I can say reflex angle AOB. AOB. Remember AOB, we have the acute here. No, this one is going to be obtuse because it is 120. So obtuse angle here plus the reflex will give you 360. So that is going to be 360 minus what? 128 degree. If we subtract that, let's do that to be almost 200 and something. So let's say 360 minus 128. That will give us 300 and what? 232 degree. So the angle at the back is what we found. But we can say that from quadrilateral, where are we going to? We can begin from here. A, C, B, O, or O, B, let me begin from O. So O, A, C, B is a quadrilateral. If we add all the angles, I'm going to just go ahead, since I know the value of all the angles I'm looking for. I am only going to say all the angles here will be the angle at the top here, which we found as 64, plus the angle we are given as 44, plus the one we found as the reflex angle, plus the angle we are asked to find, OBC, all will give us what? 360. We are already indicated that it's a quadrilateral, so their sum of angles will be equal to that. So fast forward, the angle OBC will be equal to 360 minus the sum of 64, right? Plus 44 plus 232. That will be giving you the value of 340 degree. And when we subtract that, we should be left with what? 20 degrees. So the value of that angle here will be 20. The angle we are asked to find here will be 128. I guess clear? There are other ways we can get the answer, but this is the route I want to pass. You can pass the other one, then share your answer in the comment section. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.